Next up in our series of bath bomb mold demonstrations, we're going to be doing our happy face star. And that consists of a bottom plate, an outside shell, and a top plunger with his cute little face. Look at that. Cute. All right, put your plate down on the bottom, stick your shell on the top, and start filling. Again, if you guys are concerned about any of your tips breaking off, any of your stress points, just go ahead and take your finger and give a nice, light little push. And then fill that back up again. You shouldn't have any problems with that, but some people may. Everybody is different, you guys. All right, let's take our, there he is, our happy little face. We're going to turn him upside down. Stick him on the top of our shell and push. Again, because we're using a plunger, you can make this as thick or as thin as you'd like, whatever your preference is. All right, same situation. Let's do some taps around our outside shell. Taps on the top plunger. Turn it over and taps on the bottom plate. You can tell this is one of the first molds that we made because of the color. We started off with gray and we had a spool of black, and then we went to our brand color, which is pink. Anywho, all right, straight up and off with our bottom plate. Got a little bit of a crack there. That's okay. Push it back down with your finger. No problemo. All right, fingers underneath your plunger, thumb on the top of your shell, and push up all the way. Get that on out of there. Cardboard on the bottom, turn it over. Straight up and off with our plunger. Oh, look at how cute. That's adorable. Look at his cute little cheeks. That is cute as hell. All right, you guys, that's going to do it for today. If you would like to purchase this or any of the other molds that we have for sale, you can find them on soap-chef.com. I will leave a link down below.